Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning everyone. My name is Nurul Qasim Nizamiti Samsul. Branch is specifically to extract the oil. Palm oil plantations support local economies but can also cause problems like deforestation and loss of wildlife habitats. So sustainable practices are now strongly encouraged. So next part is harvest time of palm oil plantation. I have 5 points. Number 1 is first harvest. 3 to 4 years after planting, this is when all palm begin to bear fruit in commercial quantities. Number 2, peak production period. 7 to 18 of age. Trees produce the highest yield during this time. Bunch can be harvested every 7 to 10 days. Number 3 is harvesting frequency. Every 10 to 14 days, depending on plantation practice and rainfall. In ideal tropical climates like Malaysia, Indonesia, West Africa, this is year-round crop. Number 4 is fruit maturity. Fruit bunch are ready for harvest 5 to 6 months after pollination. Indicator, loose fruit at the best color change, for example, color reddish and orange, and wick increase. And lastly, number 5, harvesting method. Roots use sickly and sisals mounted on long poles to cut the bunch from tall palms. Timely collection is critical. Delays to free fatty acid increase, lowering oil quality. So next is example of palm oil in Johor is Plantation SDN Berhad at Kota Tinggi Johor. Location at Sungai Ulu Sedali Besar, Kota Tinggi Johor. Established is as a collaboration between University Malaya and Bustit Plantation Berhad. Area approximate 402.6 hectare. Dedicated to oil palm cultivation. Management is initially managed by Bustit Estate Agency SDN Berhad until 2020. After which Plantation assumed full responsibility. Our achievement is achieve the highest revenue in 2022 over the past decade. Improve average bun weight and oil extraction rate. Certified under the Malaysian Sustainable Palm Oil Standard in 2019. Next, Genting Tanah Merah Estate. Location at Kampung Batu Cina, Tangkak, Johor. Established is not publicly certified but part of Genting Plantation Berhad's yearly portfolio expansion in Johor. Area approximately 1,801 hectare. For management is operated and managed by Genting Plantation Berhad. For achievement is certified under Malaysian Sustainable Palm Oil Standard. Implementation of sustainable practice including biodiversity corridors. And lastly, now for efficient harvesting cycle and high yield management system. And the last part is transportation types and timing in palm oil supply chain. Actually have 3 steps. Number 1 is stage. Number 2 is transportation types. Number 3 is typical timing. So have 4 points. Number 1 is plantation to mill. For transportation type is tractor with trailer, lorry or truck. Typical time within 24 hours after harvest. Number 2 is mill to refinery. Transportation type tanker truck for crude palm oil. 1 to 3 days milling. Refining port container truck or boat group tanker. 1 to 2 days. Depends on distance. And lastly, number 4 is port to export market. Cargo, ship or tanker. Typical timing is 5 to 30 days depending on destination. For example, Asia 5 to 7 days and Europe 20 to 30 days. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurin Najwa Atika binti Muhammad Rahman. My registration number is 33DFO242048. I'm going to continue the slide, which is palm oil milling. I'm going to start with the milling process and function of each. Firstly is receiving fruit. The function is fetch fresh fruits branches, which is FFB, from palm trees are brought to the mill. Next, we have sterilizing the bunches, steam to make the fruits easier to remove and to stop oil from spoiling. Third, threshing. A machine shake the bunches to separate the fruits from the rest. Next, digesting. The fruits are mashed and heated to break them down. After that, pressing. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nixon Mano, and my ID number is 33DF424F2040. Today, I would like to talk about palm oil refining. Palm oil Palm oil refining is a process that converts crude palm oil into a clean, edible product through several key stages: degumming and neutralizations to remove gums and free fatty acid, bleaching to eliminate color pigments and impurities, and deuterization to strip off odor and volatile compounds. These steps result in refined palm oil (RPO), results in refined palm oil (RPO), which is the primary product used in cooking oil and processed foods, similar to how gasoline is a major product for crude oil refining. Additional outputs include palm oil olein used for frying and palm stearin used in soaps and bakery fats, along with byproducts like palm fatty acid distill (PFAD), gums and spent bleaching earth which have industrial and architectural applications. Once refined, the oil is stored in temperature-controlled tanks and transported using insulated tanks, ISO tanks, or flexi tanks to ensure equality is maintained during delivery.
So today I want to present my part, which is palm oil products manufacturing, edible and non-edible. For edible, I chose margarine, and non-edible, I chose soap. Firstly, I would like to explain about ingredients of margarine. Core ingredients of margarine is palm oil, water, salt, and emulsifiers. Water can help create emulsion and spreadability of margarine. Salt adds flavors and helps with texture. Emulsifiers help keep the water and oil mixture combined together. Other than that, optional ingredients like powdered milk, flavoring, coloring, and vitamin A and D added for nutritional value. So today I would like to explain about margarine production process. First, refining of palm oil. Palm oil is processed and refined to remove impurities, odors, colors, and free fatty acids. Second, mixing of ingredients. Refined palm oil is mixed with water, salt emulsifiers, flavoring agents, coloring agents, and vitamins added too. Third, emulsification. Oil and water are blended together with emulsifiers to form a stable emulsion. Fourth is the use and function of the products. First, spreading, used as a spread on bread toast, removing dirt and oil. Soap's unique molecular structure allows it to dissolve in both water and oil, effectively removing dirt, grease, and oil from surfaces. Sanitizing. Soap helps to remove bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms that can cause illness. Function of soap: emulsifying fats and oils on the skin or surfaces for easy washings. Lastly, the storage condition for edible and non-edible. Light exposure for non-edible, protect from direct sunlight to prevent oxidation. For non-edible, avoid direct sunlight to maintain quality. Second, ventilation. Edible, stored in a well-ventilated area but keep containers tightly sealed. For non-edible, ventilation is needed to prevent odor build-up and mold growth. Third, humidity. low humidity, stored in a dry place. For non-edible, low humidity, avoid direct sunlight to maintain oil quality. Fourth, storage temperature. For edible, 20 to 25 degrees Celsius in room temperature. For non-edible, 20 to 30 degrees Celsius can tolerate slightly higher temperature. Thank you.